Hi, my name is Erika Lee, and I look forward to meeting you virtually at my Marco Hatfield Lecture Series talk on Tuesday, September 8th. I'd really hoped to visit Portland again and meet in person, but I'm so pleased that the Oregon Historical Society has decided to move the discussion of my new book to a virtual format. Titled America for Americans, A History of Xenophobia in the United States, my book focuses on the paradox that the United States is both a nation of immigrants and a nation of xenophobia. We've welcomed millions from around the world, but we also have a darker history of hatred of and violence against immigrants and refugees in the United States. With all that has happened in 2020, the themes of this book, immigration, racism, and xenophobia, remain so incredibly important for us to discuss. So I hope you'll join me for this relevant and timely conversation on Tuesday, September 8th at 7 p.m. via Zoom. Tickets are available online at ohs.org/Hatfield. As a historian whose work depends on archival institutions, I thank you for your support of the Oregon Historical Society and its mission to advance knowledge and inspire curiosity of all the people, places, and events that shape Oregon.